Today, I'm going to show you how to revive your old WordPress posts using social media automatically. If you've got great blog posts that aren't getting the attention they deserve anymore, this video will help you bring them back to life and drive more traffic and engagement without spending hours resharing content manually. We're going to use a plugin called ClickSocial. It lets you automatically reshare old blog posts to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, all right from WordPress. Head over to clicksocial.com and sign up for an account. After signing in, you'll see the steps you need to take to get started. First, we'll have to install ClickSocial on our WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for ClickSocial. Click Install Now, then activate the plugin. Once the plugin is active, we need to link your ClickSocial account. In your ClickSocial dashboard, click Generate API Key. If you have multiple websites, click Add New, name your site, and generate your unique API key. Copy that key. Then back in WordPress, paste your API key and click Connect. Next, let's connect your social media platforms. Click Add Account and choose the networks you want to share to, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. For each one, you'll just log in and authorize ClickSocial to post on your behalf. Now it's time to pick which old posts you want to revive. In the ClickSocial menu, select Revive Posts, then click Set up Revival Posts. You can filter your content by date, tags, or author. Whatever works best for you. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. Here you can choose which social media platforms to post your content to. After selecting the accounts, you can draft the caption template for your post. You can type in anything you'd like, and even use dynamic variables from your posts like title, excerpt, shortened post link, and more. These placeholders automatically pull in the right info from each blog post. Add any extra text you'd like, then click Next. Now, decide when your revived posts will be shared. You can select specific days and times based on when your audience is most active. For each day, use the drop-down to add a time slot. You can add multiple times per day if you'd like. Once you've set your schedule, click Submit, and that's it. Your post revival campaign is live. ClickSocial will automatically share your chosen post to your connected social accounts on the schedule you set. You can also use the calendar view to track and edit your upcoming posts anytime. If you click on one of your scheduled posts, you can go into the Preview tab to see what that post will look like on social media. We can see the caption for the post, which includes the dynamic variables we added. The post title variable is replaced by the actual post title from the blog post, and we also have a shortened link to that post here. You'll also notice that we have an image for the post too. ClickSocial automatically uses the featured image from the blog post when it is shared on social media. If you want to modify it, just go into the Editor tab and edit the post caption and photo if you'd like to. Click on the publish date at the bottom so that we can modify the posting time and change it to publish immediately. This will open up a window where you can choose when you want to publish the post. You can choose the date and time you want to share the post on social media. But to share it immediately, click Now on the top right corner. This will update the publish time to now, and we can click Update Post. Now we can head to Instagram and see what our blog post looks like when shared on the platform. Here we are now on Instagram, and if we scroll down, we can see the blog post that we just shared from ClickSocial. You can see the featured image as the image for the Instagram post. The caption is right here as we drafted inside our ClickSocial revival campaign. If someone goes to this shortened link, that will take them directly to your WordPress blog post. Reviving your old WordPress content really doesn't have to be complicated, and with ClickSocial, it only takes a few minutes to set up. If you want to get started, head over to clicksocial.com and sign up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.